Hi, this is Phil at Fast and Easy Computers. We're just doing a quick video of a nice little Dell 3410. Now this is a 14-inch laptop. It's nice and lightweight. It's got some good ports on it. So there's the power port, HDMI, USB 3 and a Type C there. On the other side we have some more USBs, a network port which is rare on a thin laptop like this, and a micro SD reader and headphone socket. Now it's a nice machine. This model is an i5 which is 10th gen. It's a good 14-inch anti-glare display. I think it's a TN panel, this one, but we'll check that in a second. Feels relatively solid. Now it's not as solid as a really high-end machine. This is a mid-range system, but feels good. Doesn't wobble about. Hinges are in two places, which is good for stability. Not something that can snap there like that, and it makes a nice click sound when you click the power button. Now it's got a backlit keyboard and an NVMe drive in it. So we've done a basic setup for a chap called Ian, and that's it booting. So that's booting from cold. Now it similarly will shut down nice and fast as well. Now we've not put any updates on this one yet, or any antivirus running or anything like that, but it's off again there. So we'll do another boot cycle. Now it's feels pretty good. I mean, we've not done very much with it yet, but it's nice and thin, boots fast, looks good. 14-inch, but you don't really notice that when sat in front of it. You can see it's good. Now screen angles still pretty good, so it's possible, I mean, from the top it's possible this is IPS. It doesn't actually say it on the spec. It's quite restrictive about what it says. Now this is straight out the box. We've not charged it. It's saying 58%, 4 hours, so we estimate about 10 hours on this if you run it on low power settings. I mean, we can mess about with the power settings and things change. It's not quite calculating things properly at the moment, but quite happy with it at the moment. Good mid-range machine. Good range of ports. As I say, you can pick it up with one hand. It's 1.6 kilos. That's about it for this little vid. Alright, my name's Phil. I'm at Fast and Easy Computers in Stockport. Thanks, bye bye.